As you guys can see, it's pretty damn cold here in Melbourne. When I woke up this morning, I saw the beautiful morning frost on the leaves, fallen leaves of the fig tree, and I thought, why not shoot some macros without the flash? I have the Canon 100mm macro lens right now. For the first few shots, I'll be using the artificial autofocus, the AI continuous focus, because even though that usually applies to when you're using faster apertures such as f2.8, currently I have it at f14, and to me it seems to work really well. So we're gonna try the autofocus first, and then gonna switch to manual focus, take a couple of shots of these. I'll show you guys. Looks so cool. I have the image stabilization on. I'll be shooting everything at f14 and base ISO. Hopefully it's gonna work. I'm gonna underexpose, I think. Let's see. I'm gonna widen the aperture to f9, and then ISO can go down to 200. It's so freezing. That is so beautiful. The shutter speed right now is 1/60th of a second. Or maybe that's not gonna be enough. I keep forgetting that I don't have the flash on, so it doesn't freeze motion. So you wanna use at least 1/100th of a second because of the reciprocal rule. Let's try that and bump up the ISO to 320. That looks nice with all the bokeh in the background. I'm trying to get a silhouette shot with all those little crystals on the edge. And I'm losing the frost, so I'm gonna grab a new leaf in a second. I can't feel my fingers. They have gone completely numb. I just found a dandelion. I'm gonna be right back. There's a little bit of morning dew on this dandelion. Let's see if I can capture that. I'm severely underexposing at the moment, just to make it look a little bit more silvery rather than white. That looks so cool. The tiny water droplets look amazing. I'm gonna try and grab a couple of frames completely wide open. These birds are really raucous. So f2.8, see what we can get.
I was so mesmerized by those tiny ice particles. I ended up taking close to 100 images in about half an hour overall, but decided to keep only a dozen.
Looks so amazing. I think I should wrap this up now. The morning frost has completely disappeared. Thank you so much for joining me on this little impromptu shoot. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and see you guys very soon in the next one.